Alright, so this is my 2022 Wrangler Jeep Willys. I'm installing the 3-inch maxtrac lift kit. I already got the shocks off, the brake bracket loose. Both side shocks are off, so next thing is just to drop down the differential and take the 2 springs out. And I have a drop bracket for this bar right here. So let's keep moving. Alright, I got the spring installed. I got the bump stop extender installed. And the new rod, just gotta tighten them up. Got this side done. These are tight. The bump stop extender, spring. So now I'm gonna install a bracket that goes here, so this bar is gonna hang down more. Alright, so I got the shocks installed, the new tie rods here, the bump stop spacers and springs. Everything's installed. The last thing I need to install is the brake line bracket extender. Let's go ahead and get that done.
Two stars.
That was a try. Alright, so I got the brake line disconnected. I got the tie rod over here disconnected because the ones from the back are going to be coming up here because the ones from the back are longer and we replaced those already. So that's going to be coming up here. Shocks disconnected. I got both sides done already, so now it's just to drop the diff and take the spring out. All right, so I got the shock installed, the spring installed. I got the one from the back installed, so now everything's installed and tightened. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the wheels on. All right, let's drop it down. Tires are on.